Okay, so we're going to be doing a battery charger build. This is going to be for 9-volt batteries. So you're wondering, Steve, you can't charge alkaline batteries. Yes, I know that. These guys are just some old batteries which I'm going to be using the tops off of. What I'm actually going to be charging are these. So these are lithium ion rechargeable batteries by EBL. There's 600 milliamp hours, and they come 4 to a pack. So that's what's in here right now. I'm going to be using a charge board, which I'll show you. There we go. So I'll be using one of these guys. So I bought these on Aliexpress a while ago. And these are basically step-down converters where you can adjust the current voltage. So you can use any wall wart essentially, and just adjust your voltage, current, and use this as a charger. So, and you got your status here. So red, blue, green. So yeah, I will be building this. So I'm going to just do a quick time lapse. Showing me disassembling these tops here and connecting them to the board and getting the wall wart set up.
Maybe not. Maybe f yourself.
Okay, I just did some quick searching online, and what I basically did is I looked at the factory chargers for these EBL batteries, and what I found was there's a 4 battery charger, and basically that charger will charge, if you put one battery in, it'll charge at 400 milliamp hour, milliamps, and if you put 4 batteries in, it'll charge at 150 milliamps. Yeah, so 400 milliamps and 150 milliamps. So in theory, I can charge these at the most 400 milliamps each, and because I have the power output from the wall wart there, I can definitely do it, or I could set them to 150. So based on my meter, that would be either 15 or 0.4. So let's just go for the 0.4, and we're just going to short these out again. That's really pissing me off. I should just change this goddamn thing. You know what? I might as well. I don't know why he's. How about this guy? I wonder how low he'll go. Yeah, something is wrong. I still think something's wrong with the other one. So that's even at 150 milliamps, this thing still goes green, but this thing here, for some reason, as soon as I go under half an amp, so if I try matching it, it'll, you know what, I'll just pull it off. Honestly, I have a million of these, so just one moment, I'll be right back. Alright, we're back in business. I changed out this board here. I removed the old little guy. And let's see if we get the same results now with either one, which I hope we should. Alright, let's put this back the way it was. Yeah, see, now this one's fine. So I think something's wrong with that other little guy. So let's just put them both at the same current. Sorry, the same, current, I should say. So now they're both exactly the same. That's good. Let's just double check the voltage. .3. I'm gonna go a little higher on the voltage. Let's go. I'm just gonna put them right to 8.4. Oh no, I just messed up the current. Let's do 8.4 because they should be able to go to that voltage. This will also give me a little bit extra life in the battery when it's running on the smoke detector. So, okay, so that's good. Let's go back to current. Short that out. Okay. Short that out with this. Okay, the current's still good there. Alright, I'm happy with that. So we've set them at 150 milliamp. So I've put a slower charge, which I can definitely change in the future. But I like the slow charges to get as much capacity in as possible, and also charge to 8.4. So again, most capacity as possible. And yeah, so let's plug them in. Oh, I think my my connector's not too good there. That's weird how it did that. Okay, it's working now. And boom. So yeah, we'll check this tomorrow. I'm gonna be going to sleep now. Shut that off. And hopefully see how it works. Thanks for watching, and like, share, subscribe. Definitely hope you like my little project. You guys might be asking, why didn't I just buy the charger? And you're right, I could have bought it, to be honest with you. I like building stuff like this, and I literally like using stuff I have around the house. So I have wall warts. I got these. I bought a bunch of these a long time ago. Old batteries. I have the caps. So I just made those as well. Wire. Lid top. So, you know, I mean, I don't mind building it. So, and this is definitely a cool little project, and you can do it with other batteries. You can make these work with 18650s. There's even nickel metal you could probably use. You just gotta set the current really low. I wouldn't use nickel metal, but lithium, definitely these little converters are great. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.